Hello, teachers. Have you ever wondered why some people succeed yet others fail? You may have some answers like talent, skill. Somebody even might say that horoscope is a reason, but Angela Duckworth says otherwise. She says the most important factor that determines one's success is grit. In this book called Grit, she shares a lot of ideas on how children can be developed this important quality. Before that, she busts a very important myth that all of us have, that is talent beats any other thing for success. She denies this and she says talent is definitely necessary, but that isn't the only thing that determines someone's success. When you have talent and when you put in a lot of effort, you get to get the skill. And when you multiply the skill with effort, when you put in a lot of effort with the skill, you get to achieve. In both the cases, if you see, effort counts twice. If you do not put the required effort, you're not going to become successful. So how do we make our children put this effort? How do we make them resilient enough so they will go through till the end of the journey? You might see a lot of children in your class giving up so early. They try one or two problems and after that they say, hey, this is very tough for me. I'm not going to do this. They try a sport and they feel they're too weak to handle it. They try an art and when somebody laughs at them, they just give up on that. Many of us have this quality as adults, but you can develop grit, you can develop determination from childhood. And there are four important components that Angela Duckworth shares in her book. The first component is their interest. Find out if your children have interest in doing what they are doing, be it sports, be it academics, or anything in their life. Do they have interest in what they are doing? Because passion always fuels perseverance. Unless and until they are interested to do something, they cannot do it for a long time when the going gets tough. The second factor is practice. Consider any winning person in this world, they would have done enough of practice day in and day out, consistently doing things for a very long time, and only then they would have become successful. So, all we need to do is to teach our children to be consistent even when they see no results happening in a short term. We need to prepare them for a long term effort. Let's say they're not good in mathematics, they try one or two problems, they try the next day. You need to help them to try it again and again and again till they get the hang of it. And that's the beauty of determination. The third important factor in building determination is a strong purpose. Do they have a purpose in doing what they do? If it's just for money, if you get a job, you're not going to sustain long term because you're going to lose interest over a period of time. And money cannot just fuel your passion for a long time. You need to find some sense of meaning, some sense of purpose in what you do. Do they have that meaning? If they do not have, help them find the meaning in what they do.
The fourth important factor that she shares is hope. I may not be good enough now compared to my friends, compared to my peers, but I can definitely achieve what they are today with a bit of progress. Do I have that hope? I can improve. So help your children to get belief, help your children to have some courage in them so that they can continue doing what they do. They should have a sense of hope. My dear teachers, talent is not just the only thing that determines children's success. So, all you need to do is to help them build grit, help them build determination to see till the end of the journey. So, I have a question for all of you now. What is that one goal you would like to commit on a long term? That you are ready to give everything in your capacity to see till the end of that goal. Please do let me know in your comments and do subscribe, click the bell icon for more videos like this. See you in the next video.